Good morning, kids. Good afternoon, kids. Okay, today's topic is universal product codes or barcodes. And when I am talking about this, I am referring to the barcodes that you can find in all the products in the supermarket, like Walmart. So we are going to identify what is or how this number is done, and also we are going to know how to get the check digit, which is a digit who prevents any fraud or the validity of the barcode itself. And also we're going to check whether a number is valid or not. Okay, let me read you this real quick about this. It reads, identification numbers are present everywhere in society. Today's identification numbers are more sophisticated than those introduced years earlier. For example, social security numbers. Today's numbers have a check digit to partially ensure that they have been correctly scanned or entered into a computer. Universal product codes, typically in the form of barcodes, identify retail products. The 12 digits UPC barcode consists of three parts: manufacturer number, product number, and check digit. For example, the manufacturer number for the Dr. Pepper company is 078000 and appears in the first 6 digits of all the company's product UPC barcodes. GS1, formerly the Uniform Code Council, issues a company's this 6-digit number. Every item sold by a company requires a different 5-digit product number. This includes specific products, their different sizes, the array of colors, their variety of flavors, and another distinguishing features. The last number is the check digit, which guards against entry errors and fraud. The check digit in a UPC number, that is the 12th digit, is determined by the following manner. Okay, so we are going to check what to do. The check digit is chosen so that the calculation described previously totals a number whose final digit is 0. When entering a code number, okay, I think this is enough. So why don't we practice first with this? I have eaten this chocolate today, who was actually delicious. And as you can see, I have the barcode right here, and I will show you that this barcode is actually good, okay? And please just follow me to this consideration, and please remember to take notes, okay? So the first example, I have the code 0280000 13 17 0 and 8. Okay, so we need to check the validity of this number. Okay, so the first 6 digits, I will explain this. The first 6 digits right here, from here to here, is the manufacturer code. All right, so every company, in this case, the company is, I will assume that is Nestle or something like that. Okay, it says Ferrara Candy Company, but well, in the past it was Nestle, but now it's Ferrara Candy Company. All right, so that company has this manufacturer code plus the code for the product is right here. Okay, for this chocolate, which is Crunch, and this size, the product code is that 13170, and the 8, this number right here, is the check digit. So this check digit will let you know if the product is good or not. What I mean, when you scan this in the supermarket, if the check digit is not this one, that means that there was a mistake when entering the codes to scan this. Okay, so what do we need to have to know if this is a valid number. Okay, at this moment, I know that it's a valid number because it's from this chocolate that I have eaten today. But let me show you what to do. Okay, as you can see, I will make this bigger and more separate the numbers. I have 0, 2, 8, 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, 1, 7, 0, 0, 8. Okay, so we have in total 12 numbers or 12 positions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, I did like this in purpose because these values 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 are needed for the addition or the weighted addition that we are going to do. Okay, so please take a look. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 are odd numbers. Okay, so that means that 0 is located in an odd position. The same for the 8, same for the 5, same for the 1, same for the 1, and same for the 0. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 odd positions. And then I have even positions, okay, which is position number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, number 10, and number 12. But I don't really need them at this time, okay? Let's focus our attention in the odd position. All right, so what we need to do to validate the code is multiply times 3 the odd positions plus the addition of the even positions. Okay, this is an addition. All right, so how does it look like when we actually work with this? Okay, let me tell you something. The addition of this should be a number ending in 0 in order to have a valid code. Okay, so the addition should be something ending in 0. Okay, so let's work with all the odd positions first, and we need to multiply them times 3. So we have 0, 8, 0, 1, 1, and 0. And then we have another addition, but just the numbers. 2, the numbers that are located in even positions. We have the 2, 0, and 0. We have the 3. We have the 7. And we have the 8. All right? So now we need to make the addition. I have 8, 1, and 1. That is 10. So I have 3 times 10 plus 2 and 3 is 5. 7 and 8 is 15. 15 and 5 is 20 plus 20. So 3 times 10 is 30 plus 20 is 50. As you can see, this is ending in 0. It ends in 0. So we can say that this is valid. Okay? This is a valid product. Okay? Please copy this. And now, how can we determine this check digit? Okay? This check digit is important. Sometimes we can have it, sometimes we don't have it. So what do we need to know, or what do we need to do? I will split my space, okay? Okay, and please continue copying this. All right, the other thing that I need to do is to get the check digit. For that, I have this product that is the disinfecting wipes, Clorox. So I will cover the last digit, so you can see that I have 0, 44, 600, 15, 9, 4, 9, and I am not sharing the last digit because we're going to know which is the last digit. Okay, so let's find, this is just to check validity, okay? Now let's find the check digit. Find check digit. As you can see, the check digit is the last digit here, okay? So I have these values. I have the code 0, 4, 4, 6, 0, 0, 1, 5, 9, 4, 9, and the check digit, I will call it D, okay, just D. Okay, it has no value yet. Remember that we work first with with the odd positions, okay? So I will circle just the odd positions values like this. You can separate them as you want to make it, okay. All right, so I have all 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers located in odd positions. Okay, remember the formula says multiply 3 times the odd numbers or the numbers located inside odd positions. So I have 3 times 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9, okay? And then plus. And then we have an addition of all the numbers located in even positions. So I need to add 4, 6, 0, 5, 4, and then the D. Okay, the letter D. The letter D stands for the check digit. Okay, check digit, which is the number or the position number 12. Okay, so let's make the addition. 4 and 1 is 5. 9 and 9 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. So 3 times 23 plus 4 and 6 is 10 plus 5, 15 plus 4, 19 plus D. Okay? When I multiply 3 times 3, I get 9. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 19 plus D. When I add 9 plus 9, I have 18. I have 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 6 is 8 plus D. All right, do you remember what is the number in which valid barcodes need to end? They need to end in 0, okay? So if I have an addition here ending in 0, I have a valid number, but remember that I took the code from an actual product that you can buy in the supermarket. So that means that this is valid. All right, if you move ahead, what is the next number ending in 0? Yes, the next number ending in 0 is 90, okay? So what do you need to have to get a 90, okay? Well, D equals 90 minus 88, D equals 2. So this is how we can get, in the first place, we can validate whether a number is ending in 0. If it's ending in 0, the barcode is valid, the number is valid, the universal product code is valid, okay? And we can also find the check digit. In this case, the check digit is the last number, and if we can make it like this, we can have a number that is ending in 0 because we know that it's valid, and for this problem, the check digit is 2. Okay, so please copy. You will need this during the guided practice and during the